In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Traverse key fob. Replacing your battery at home is super easy to do. You do not need to bring your key fob to the dealership. The only things you'll need are a regular flathead and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of those lying around, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. Now, some of you out there probably have the version that I have, and some of you have the 3-button version, which does not have this trunk icon, and it just looks like that. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is exactly the same, and the battery is the same as well. So you could just follow along with this video, and we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. So go ahead and look on the bottom right of your device. You can see there's a little opening there that is along the seam of the 2 pieces of plastic. Take your flathead and just insert it into that opening. Just wiggle it in there, and once it's stuck, you can just hold the device gently. Don't push down or you're going to make it more difficult to open. Just hold it gently and twist your flathead. Twist just a little bit until it starts to open up, and then you can pull it out and just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. Now we have access to the battery. And the easiest way to get this thing out is just to gently lift up on the battery so that the whole circuit board comes out. And then you can just set this down. And now it's going to be easier for us to just pull the battery straight out of there. And try not to touch too much on the faces of the circuit board. Just hold it on the sides. Once you get your battery out of there, dispose of your old one. Take your new CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing up. So you will slide it under the metal component, positive side up. And now all we need to do is put this back together. So take the front of your device that has this rubber part in there and just drop the circuit board in with the battery facing up. And the last step is just to drop the back on top of there, make sure it's all lined up, and then just squeeze it back together. And once you've done that, you are good to go. You changed your battery all by yourself, and you saved some money, hopefully. So thank you for watching. And if you like that video, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, don't forget to come back to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.